Are you over 50 and looking for healthier snack options to keep your energy stable throughout the day? As we age, maintaining balanced glucose levels and supporting muscle health becomes increasingly important, and what we snack on plays a crucial role. In 2026, snacking after 50 is all about focusing on nutrient-dense snacks that provide sustained energy without the sugar spikes that lead to fatigue and inflammation. These snacks help to regulate blood sugar, support muscle maintenance, and improve overall health. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 healthy snack ideas that will keep you energized, nourished, and ready to take on the day. 1. Lupini beans, the power snack of 2026. Lupini beans are quickly gaining popularity as a go-to snack for those over 50 in 2026. Known for their impressive nutrient profile, lupini beans contain double the protein of chickpeas and virtually zero net carbs. This makes them an excellent option for those looking to maintain muscle mass and avoid blood sugar spikes that can lead to energy crashes. What makes lupini beans stand out is their high content of prebiotic fiber, which helps support gut health and keeps you feeling full longer. The fiber in lupini beans nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, which is crucial for overall digestive health and immune function. When you snack on lupini beans, you're not only getting a boost of protein, but also improving your digestive health, making it a perfect snack for sustained energy. These beans are versatile and can be eaten on their own or added to salads, dips, or grain bowls. Whether you're looking for a quick bite in the afternoon or a pre-workout snack, lupini beans are an excellent choice for boosting your nutrition without the added sugar. 2. Walnuts with goji berries, brain-boosting snack. When it comes to snacking for brain health, walnuts and goji berries are an unbeatable combination in 2026. Walnuts are known for their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining cognitive function as we age. Omega-3s help improve memory, support mood regulation, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Combined with goji berries, which are rich in antioxidants like zeaxanthin, this snack offers targeted benefits for aging eyes and brain health. Zeaxanthin, found abundantly in goji berries, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the macula and retina of the eyes, promoting vision health. Walnuts also provide anti-inflammatory benefits, which support brain health and help reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's. The combination of these two powerhouse foods makes for a snack that supports both cognitive and eye health, which is crucial for those over 50. 3. Cottage cheese with hemp hearts, high-quality protein. As we age, our bodies require high amounts of protein to maintain muscle mass and support overall health. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of high-quality protein, and when paired with hemp hearts, it becomes a nutrient-dense snack that supports both muscle maintenance and joint health. Hemp hearts are rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an anti-inflammatory fat that helps reduce joint swelling and support healthy skin. The combination of cottage cheese and hemp hearts provides a powerful punch of protein and healthy fats. For those over 50, this snack not only helps maintain muscle mass but also supports the body's recovery process after physical activity. Whether you enjoy it as a snack or incorporate it into a meal, cottage cheese with hemp hearts is a satisfying and nourishing choice that promotes both strength and recovery. 4. Air Pop popcorn with nutritional yeast, fiber and energy boost. For a crunchy, low-calorie snack that provides high fiber and essential vitamins, Air Pop popcorn with nutritional yeast is an excellent option for those over 50. Popcorn, when air popped, is a high-fiber, whole grain that helps support digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Adding nutritional yeast takes this snack to the next level by providing a cheesy flavor, along with a healthy dose of B vitamins that are vital for energy metabolism and nerve function, particularly as we age. Nutritional yeast is also a good source of plant-based protein, making it an ideal snack for those looking to keep their energy stable throughout the day. Popcorn, when paired with nutritional yeast, creates a delicious, fiber-rich snack that helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and provide a sustained energy boost. This snack is perfect for those who need something light yet satisfying, and it can be enjoyed guilt-free without compromising on taste. 5. Seaweed crisps with avocado, thyroid, and heart health. For a snack that combines healthy fats with key nutrients, seaweed crisps paired with avocado are an excellent choice in 2026. Seaweed is rich in iodine, which is essential for thyroid health. The thyroid plays a critical role in regulating metabolism, and as we age, maintaining thyroid function becomes increasingly important for overall health. Seaweed also contains a range of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and iron, which support bone health and cardiovascular function. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. The healthy fats in avocado also help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins found in seaweed, such as vitamins A, D, and K. This combination of iodine from seaweed and healthy fats from avocado not only supports thyroid function, but also helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Seaweed crisps with avocado provide a nutrient-dense snack that is perfect for maintaining heart health, thyroid function, and overall well-being. 6. Hard-boiled eggs with everything bagel seasoning. Complete protein. Eggs are often considered the gold standard for protein, and for good reason. They are packed with essential amino acids that the body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. For those over 50, hard-boiled eggs make an excellent snack, providing high-quality protein to maintain muscle mass and support metabolic health. The choline in egg yolks is particularly beneficial for maintaining cognitive function and memory, which can decline with age. When paired with everything bagel seasoning, this simple snack becomes even more flavorful and nutrient-dense. Everything bagel seasoning typically includes garlic, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, and dried onion, all of which provide added flavor and beneficial compounds that support heart health and reduce inflammation. Hard-boiled egg with everything bagel seasoning are a perfect snack for those looking for a high-protein, brain-boosting option that supports both muscle maintenance and cognitive function. 7. Greek yogurt with ground flax seeds, probiotics and hormone health. Greek yogurt is known for its probiotic content, which supports gut health and immunity. In 2026, it's recognized as a top snack choice for its ability to promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn reduces inflammation and supports overall health. When paired with ground flax seeds, Greek yogurt becomes a powerhouse snack that provides not only probiotics but also lignans, which help balance hormones and improve digestive regularity. As we age, hormonal imbalances become more common, and flax seeds are an excellent source of lignans, which have been shown to help balance estrogen levels and reduce the risk of hormone-related conditions. The fiber in flax seeds also supports digestive health, keeping things regular and reducing bloating or discomfort. Greek yogurt with ground flax seeds provides a satisfying, nutrient-rich snack that supports both gut health and hormone regulation, making it a perfect choice for those over 50 looking to enhance their wellness routine. 8. Cucumber slices with smoked salmon, high-quality protein and vitamin D. For a refreshing, hydrating, and nutrient-packed snack, cucumber slices with smoked salmon are an excellent option for those over 50. Cucumbers are rich in water, making them a great choice for hydration, and they also provide a low-calorie, high-fiber base for this mini-meal. Paired with smoked salmon, which is an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, this snack supports muscle maintenance, heart health, and cognitive function. Smoked salmon is also a great source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function, particularly as we age. As we get older, our ability to absorb vitamin D from sunlight decreases, so it becomes increasingly important to get this nutrient from food sources. The combination of cucumber and smoked salmon provides not only protein and healthy fats, but also important vitamins and minerals that support overall health. This snack is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed on its own or paired with whole grain crackers for added fiber. There you have it. The top 8 healthy snack ideas after 50 in 2026. From lupini beans and walnuts with goji berries to smoked salmon with cucumber slices, these snacks are designed to keep your energy stable, your muscles strong, and your body healthy. By choosing nutrient-dense anti-inflammatory foods that focus on blood sugar stability and muscle maintenance, you can enjoy snacks that not only satisfy your cravings but also support long-term health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living and nutrition. Let me know in the comments which snack you're most excited to try. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you, and I'll see you in the next video.